Hello, good evening, my dear students. Good evening, all of you. Good evening, all of you. Good evening, Sai Teja. Good evening, Sai Teja. Good evening, Srinivasarao. Very good evening. Come join fast. People are coming late every day. Join fast, my dear students. Join fast. Good evening, my dear students. Right. Let me start with my introduction. Myself, Venkata Krishna. My qualification is MTech Computer Science from IIT Kharagpur. I cracked GATE examination with All India Rank 22. I had more than 15 years of teaching experience in training the students in GATE in 3 different subjects: design and analysis of algorithms, engineering mathematics, and discrete mathematics. Welcome to Unacademy. Unacademy is the best online platform in India for all competitive examinations like GATE, engineering service examinations, NEET, JEE, and for all competitive examinations, rest of the competitive examinations. Why I am saying that this is best? Let's see the features, the type of subscriptions, the effort, the fee structure, the duration of the cost, the duration. Later on, we can say this is best one. Now, in case of Unacademy, you will be having 2 types of subscriptions. So one is plus subscription, another one is iconic. What are the features we are having in case of plus? You will be having 4 features. One is live classes, very important, live classes. What is the advantage of a live class rather than non-class? In case of live class, people can interact, students can always interact with faculty members. They will clear doubts. Okay. Now you will be having structured schedule. Test series will be available, unlimited practice. So you will be having DPP, daily practicing problems. If you practice more and more questions, it's the right way to clear any competitive examinations. You need to solve multiple number of questions. Previous year, GATE, IES, ISRO, Transco, GENCO, like that. In case of iconic, again you are having 4 features. One is personal coach. One personal coach will be appointed to you. Study planner will be there. You will be getting guidelines from experts on the subjects, and you will be having a lot of questions and answers of engineering service examinations. Okay. Right. How many types of subscriptions are there in case of plus or in case of iconic? In terms of duration, you will have 1 month duration, 1 month subscription, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and 2 years. Let's talk about 1 year subscription. That is 12 months. So the actual fee structure in case of Unacademy Plus for 1 year is 25,000. But if you use my referral code GVK10, you will get 10% discount. So final fee will be 22,500. So very affordable cost. Anybody can bear 22,500 low. Extraordinary faculty members need meet out. They share all knowledge, complete knowledge. Very affordable cost. In case of iconic, per 1 year the actual fee is 45,000. If you use my referral code GVK10, you will get 10% off. So the final fee will be 40,500. Now these are various payment methods to take subscription either in plus or in iconic. This is my referral code GVK10. Okay. Right. Now in the last class, before leaving the class, we had a discussion about system of linear equations. Okay. System of linear equations. Now in today's session, we are going to discuss about non-homogeneous system of linear equations as well as homogeneous system of linear equations. Let us see what is the basic difference and how can you say that the solution exists. If the solution exists, how many solutions are possible? Let us see all various cases. Okay. Right. Good evening, my dear students. Balu, good evening. Vasu, Bhargav, good evening. Kavita, very good evening. జాయిన్ ఫాస్ట్ అందరూ అటెండెన్స్ వేసుకోండి, లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి, మన ఛానల్ని ప్రమోట్ చేయండి, తెలుగు ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ప్రతి ఒక్కరు 10 మెంబర్స్ చేత సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయించండి అన్అకాడమీ గేట్ తెలుగు ఛానల్ని. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ ఫెసిలిటీ టు ఆల్ తెలుగు స్టూడెంట్స్. వెరీ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ చిన్న. రైట్, నౌ we talk about system of linear equations. So yesterday we have seen equations in the model a into x equal to b. A into x equal to b. Now suppose I have m number of linear equations. Assume that every equation has n number of variables. M can be equal to n, m need not be equal to n. Here A is called coefficient matrix. So this is obtained by taking all coefficients on the left side of the equation. Now what will be the size of A? M cross n. If there are m linear equations in n variables, the size of A becomes m cross n. Now I have one more matrix, that is A slash B. So I will write A slash B in square brackets. This is an augmented matrix. So how to get this augmented matrix? So you write the matrix A at first. Append the column of B at the end of A. Append the column of B at the end of A. In that case, one more column is going to add it. So in that case, the number of columns becomes m cross n plus 1. M cross n plus 1. I think this point is very clear. Let us take an example. Suppose you have x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 9. 3x plus 4y minus 6z equal to 10. Now here I am going to write matrix A. So let us consider coefficients of variables on the left side. Coefficient of x is 1 in the first equation. Now it is minus 2, 3, 4, minus 6. Now here you can see the size becomes 2 cross 3 because you have two equations. So here m value is nothing but 2. How many variables are there? 3. So here n is nothing but 3. That's why the size is becoming 2 by 3. Now I am going to write an augmented matrix. So A slash B. Remember, my dear students, this notation is very simple. So if you want to write A slash B, first you write the matrix A. 1 minus 2, 3. 3, 4, minus 6. So you add one more column. So the right side you have 9 and 10 numbers. So this is B. Now here you can see the size becomes 2 cross 4. I think this point is very clear. Okay, very nice. So therefore in this case, when you have m number of linear equations in n number of variables, the size of coefficient matrix will be m cross n and the size of an augmented matrix will be m cross n plus 1 because one column is going to be added in case of augmented matrix. Okay, the point is very clear. Now let us discuss when it is homogeneous, when it is non-homogeneous. See here, what is my matrix B? Right side matrix. So B column matrix. Right side numbers is gone. Here you have 9, 10. So this is anyhow 2 cross 1. ఇక్కడ size మనకు అవసరం లేదండి. So the size of B is immaterial for me. It is not important. Only thing is the size of A and size of augmented matrix. They are important things for us. That's clear. So here B is one column matrix. If at least one element of B, here I am going to write equation 1. So if at least one element of matrix B is not equal to 0, that is if RHS of right hand side of linear equations, if at least one RHS of linear equation is not equal to 0, it is called non-homogeneous. If a matrix B is 0, it is called a homogeneous. So right now, currently our discussion is only on non-homogeneous. After some time, we will discuss homogeneous system of equations. Okay. Now let us see. Here I am going to write this. So here I am going to write non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Now, when do you say that it is non-homogeneous? If at least one element of matrix B is non-zero, then A into X equal to B is called a non-homogeneous system. Is called a non-homogeneous system. That is clear. Now we talk about two types of system of linear equations. One is consistent, another one is inconsistent. We will have two types of discussions, consistent and inconsistent in case of both non-homogeneous and in case of homogeneous. Let us see, when do you say that consistent system? Consistent system, very, very important. What do you mean by consistent? The general meaning of consistent is convenient. What do you mean by convenient system of linear equations? If the linear equations are flexible, to get the solution. Indirectly, what I am saying is if the system of linear equations have at least one solution, then it is called a consistent system. If they do not have any solution, it is called inconsistent system. And these two are very, very important things in case of non-homogeneous system of linear equations. So I am writing that point. If Ax equal to B has at least one solution, then it is called a consistent system. Next, we will discuss inconsistent system. After this, we will discuss three important cases. Two important cases in case of consistent, one in case of now inconsistent means it has no solution at all. So if Ax equal to B has no solution, then it is called a inconsistent system. Then it is called a inconsistent system. That is very clear. Now the point is, based on what condition you are going to say that it is consistent, based on what condition it is going to be inconsistent system. So that will always depend on rank of quotient matrix or rank of augmented matrix. So we discussed three important cases. Consistent system చూడండి. Here I mentioned very clearly if Ax equal to B has at least one solution. So at least means it can have more than one also. So one solution ki oka case untundi, multiple number of solutions ki oka case untundi. It means that in case of consistent system we are having two different cases. One solution, infinitely many. In case of inconsistent, no solution. So I am going to discuss three important cases based on examples. Very, very, very important discussion of today's session. I think my points are clear. Students, let us take examples. First one, suppose I have an equation x plus y equal to 8, 2x minus y equal to 7. We have two equations in two variables. So here m value is 2, n value is 2. Now let us see here my coefficient matrix. Here my coefficient matrix A equal to, so 1, 1, 2 minus 1. So augmented matrix A slash B. This is going to be 1, 1, 8, 2 minus 1, 7. Now its size becomes 2 by 3. So can anybody say what is rank of A? What is rank of A? See, its size is 2 by 2. Its det value not equal to 0. Here det of this matrix is not equal to 0. For a 2 by 2 matrix, det is not equal to means rank becomes its size. Now rank of A slash B. This is also going to be equal to 2 because A is part of A slash B. And here the maximum rank of 2 cross 3 will be 2 only. Anyhow, A is part of A slash B. Since rank of A is 2, in that case, rank of augmented matrix will also be 2. So in this case, ranks are matching. So rank of A equal to rank of A slash B. Now this point is very clear. So it means that when both ranks are matching, I can say that it is consistent. But what's the meaning of consistent? If Ax equal to B has at least one solution, it is called consistent. At least one ante exactly one vachu, more than one vachu kada. So any solutions unto your clarity kavalante, you should compare these two ranks with the number of variables of these two linear equations. Got this point? So here I am saying that rank of A is nothing but rank of augmented matrix. My both ranks are equal. So implies Ax equal to B. Is consistent. So this is the condition for consistent system. But any solutions from there clarity undali. So to get clarity about number of solutions, you should compare these two with the number of variables. Here you can see number of variables. Here you are having only two variables x and y. So number of variables is 2. So here you can see rank of A is 2, rank of A slash B2, and both are matching with the number of variables. So when ranks are matching, it gives confirmation about the solution. But when both are equal to number of variables, you always confirm that it will have exactly one solution. So therefore here I am going to write the condition. Case 1. This is very, very important. I will tell you how you will get exactly one solution in this case. So if rank of A equal to rank of A slash B equal to number of variables implies Ax equal to B is consistent and has a unique solution. ఇక్కడ యూనిక్ సొల్యూషన్ ఎలా వస్తుంది ఈ కేసులో? వెరీ సింపుల్ టు ఇవాల్యుయేట్. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని యాడ్ చేయండి. ఈక్వేషన్స్ 1 and 2. యాడ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ 1 and 2. So y and y will get cancelled. So 3x equal to 15. So x becomes 5. ఆ 5 అందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి ఏదో ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ లో యూ విల్ గెట్ y వాల్యూ 3. అంటే x కి సింగిల్ వాల్యూ వచ్చింది, y కి సింగిల్ వాల్యూ. సో ఐ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అన్ ఆర్డర్డ్ పేర్. సో x is taking single value, y is taking single value. Therefore this is nothing but a unique solution. అంటే మనం 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ 2 వేరియబుల్స్ కాబట్టి మనం ఈజీగా మేనేజ్ చేయొచ్చు. When you have more number of equations involving more number of variables, to get clarification about solution, you should definitely evaluate rank of A and rank of A/B. Because number of equations, number of variables తక్కువనే అనుకోండి, you can easily do evaluation of x and y by elimination technique, or you have multiple techniques, Gauss-Jordan method, Cramer's rule, etc. But here my point is, I don't want exactly solution. ఇక్కడ నాకు సొల్యూషన్ అవసరం లేదండి. Rarely I think about solution. Rarely I think about what is x, what is y, what is z satisfying given set of equations. But at starting point, what is my focus is, I should know whether the given system of equations have a solution or not. Solution ఉందని క్లారిటీ వచ్చాక ఎన్ని సొల్యూషన్స్ వచ్చాయని కన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలి. సో ఇప్పుడు సొల్యూషన్ వస్తుందని ఎప్పుడు క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది? when ranks are matching, when rank of A and rank of augmented matrix both are equal, I can say that it will have at least one solution. మరి at least one solution అంటే 1 అయినా అవ్వచ్చు, more solutions అవ్వచ్చు కదా. So to get clarification about number of solutions, I should compare rank of A and rank of A/B with the number of variables. If both are matching with the number of variables, it will have exactly one solution. I think that point is very, very clear. So this point is very clear. Yes, very nice. Kavita, we can calculate by echelon formula, sir. Anything. Calculate change. No issues. You are also right. But ఇక్కడ మన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూద్దామండి. Even that is also not important. That is also not required. We can manage with the normal techniques also. Very, very simple. I think case 1 is very, very clear, my dear students. Now I will go to case number 2 by discussing another example. So let us take example 2. Later on we will discuss case 2. Suppose I am taking x plus y is 8, same as previous equation. Now here I will take 2x plus 2y equal to 16. So here you can see my coefficient matrix A equal to 1 1 2 2 2 cross 2, augmented matrix A/B. This is going to be 1 1 8 2 2 16. Anyhow, its size becomes 2 cross 3. Now here you can see, here det value is 0. So rank cannot be 2. Rank will not be equal to size, but there are some non-zero numbers. So here rank of A equal to 1. Now the same thing happens in case of augmented matrix also. You can easily verify. So rank of augmented matrix is also equal to 1. So I am in safe zone right now. Why? Because I am in safe zone. Both ranks are matching. Since both ranks are matching, I can say that it is consistent. So the solution ఉంటుంది. Any solutions ఉంటే చూద్దాం. Here let us see number of variables. NV stands for number of variables, x and y, 2 variables. Here ranks are equal, but they are not matching with the number of variables. It means that rank of A and rank of A/B are matching, but those quantities are not matching with the number of variables. It means that Ax equal to B is consistent and having infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many. So infinitely many మీకు ఎలా వస్తాయో చూడండి. Very simple case. This equation and this equation both are same. When you multiply first equation with 2, you are getting second equation. Official గా మీకు బోర్డు మీద 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. Okay, but it represents a single equation. Second equation లో 2 cancel చేయండి, you will get first equation. It means that second equation is a non-zero multiple of first equation. So మీకు infinitely many solutions ఎలా వస్తాయి? X place లో 5 రాయండి, అప్పుడు y వాల్యూ 3 వస్తుంది. X place లో 6 రాయండి, y place లో 2 వస్తుంది. సో x place లో 100 రాయండి, y place లో -92 వస్తుంది. So in that case, I can write, if you fix x as some k, y becomes 8 minus k, where k is any real number. Me such a real number fix cheskondi. Negative number, positive value, fraction, anything. So if x is k, y becomes 8 minus k. X fix cheste y 8 minus k avutundi. Ela y fix cheste x vastundi. So infinitely many solutions are possible. So therefore, in this case, rank of A and rank of A slash B both are equal, but they are not matching with the number of variables. We can say that it is consistent and having infinitely many solutions. Let us see here. So I am writing case 2, very, very important. If rank of A equal to rank of augmented matrix A slash B not matching with NV. NV stands for number of variables. Implies AX equal to B is consistent and having infinitely many solutions. And having infinitely many solutions. The points are clear. My dear students, very good. Ranks are 1. Very good. Now we discuss example 3 in terms of inconsistent. I will take first equation as previous 2 examples. X plus y is 8. So I am taking 3x plus 3y. According to right way, 3x plus 3y should be 24. But I am taking a number other than 24. Intentionally, 24 ga unde vere number తీసుకుంటున్నా 20 తీసుకుంటున్నాను. So x plus y equal to 8 అయితే 3x plus 3y 24 అవ్వాలి కదా. సో సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో x plus y equal to ఎంత వస్తుంది? 20/3 వస్తుంది సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో. So what is my second equation? X plus y equal to 20/3. But this is not matching with 8. So these two equations will not have any solution. It means that I can say that inconsistent. So solution lane system inconsistent antam. Inconsistent means they are inconvenient to get the solution. Okay. So examination lo meeku ekku number of equations ichchadu anukondi. You have more number of equations, more number of variables. Appudu meer ranks base cheskoni meer confirm cheyochu. So here you can see coefficient matrix A equal to 1 1 3 3. Here it is 2/2. Now I will write augmented matrix A slash B. So here it is 1 1 8 3 3 20. The size becomes 2/3. Now what is rank of A? Here it is 1. ఈ matrix det value 0 వస్తుంది, rank 2 అవదు. Non-zero numbers are there, rank becomes 1. But when you look at rank of A slash B, you will get 2. Why? Because you can look at this submatrix. This is one of the 2/2 submatrix of this, where its determinant is not equal to 0. I will take like this. Here C equal to 1 8 3 20. Here C is nothing but one of the 2/2 submatrix of A slash B. Here determinant of C is not equal to 0. Hence rank of augmented matrix becomes 2. Because for a 2/3 matrix, maximum rank will be 2. So here ranks are not matching. So it means that it is inconsistent. So ranks match kaledanukondi, they are inconsistent. So I am going to write case 3. If rank of A is not equal to rank of augmented matrix, then AX equal to B is an inconsistent system. Then AX equal to B is an inconsistent system. Hope my dear students, all points are very clear. Very nice. All points are very, very clear to you. No doubt at all. Examination లో మీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయంటే, లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ తీసుకుంటే ఒక్కోసారి వాడు వేరియబుల్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ ముందు అన్ని నంబర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి. వేరియబుల్స్ ముందు అన్ని నంబర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఎక్కడ మిస్ చేయలేదు. అంటే ఆల్ఫా బీటా కే అని మిస్ చేయలేదు. మిస్ చేయకుండా సమ్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్. సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 3 లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ 5 వేరియబుల్స్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. they may ask you like this. The given system is option A, consistent having one solution, consistent having infinitely many, inconsistent no solution. ఇంకా ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ ఏమి ఇవ్వాలో తెలియక వాడు ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు తెస్తాడు, నన్ అంటాడు, లేకపోతే కన్సిస్టెంట్ విత్ 2 solutions అంటాడు, కన్సిస్టెంట్ విత్ 7 different solutions అంటాడు. So in this world, when you have consistent, definitely the solution should be exactly one, or it has to be infinitely many solutions. అంటే గానీ ఎక్కడ కన్సిస్టెంట్ విత్ 2 solutions ఎక్కడ ఉండదండి, కన్సిస్టెంట్ విత్ 7 solutions ఎక్కడ ఉండదు. ఈ ప్రపంచంలో అటువంటి సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కావు. మై పాయింట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్. సో కన్సిస్టెంట్ లో మీకు రెండు కేసెస్ ఉంటాయి, కన్సిస్టెంట్ విత్ 1 solution, కన్సిస్టెంట్ విత్ ఇన్ఫైనైట్లీ మెనీ, ఇన్కన్సిస్టెంట్ మీన్స్ నో సొల్యూషన్. ఈ 3 ఆప్షన్స్ కాకుండా వాడి మీద ఇష్టం వచ్చిన ఆప్షన్స్ వాడు ఏదో ఒకటి ఇస్తూ ఉంటాడు. ఇది స్టాండర్డ్ మోడల్. ఒక్కోసారి వాడు ఎలా చేస్తుంటాడు, లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో one of the coefficient or few coefficients can be given as variable parts, alpha, beta, gamma, something like that. So for what value of alpha and beta, these given system of equations have infinitely many solutions అంటాడు. So again ఈ కండిషన్స్ అప్లై చేస్తే చాలండి. సో these 3 cases are very very important. సో స్టూడెంట్స్ కి క్లారిటీ ఉండాలంటే ఏంటంటే 3 కేసెస్ మైండ్ లో ఉండాలి. ర్యాంక్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, ర్యాంక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చాలా క్లియర్ గా ఉండాలి. సో ర్యాంక్ షుడ్ బి వెరీ 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 క్లియర్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ మెనీ డౌట్స్ ఇన్ ర్యాంక్, యూ కెనాట్ హ్యాండిల్ దిస్ సెషన్. అండర్స్టాండ్ మై పాయింట్స్, రైట్? Now I am going to discuss homogeneous system of linear equations. Homogeneous system. So when do you say that system is homogeneous? If the right hand side of every linear equation is 0. So all the elements I am storing inside the matrix B. It means that if B equal to 0, right side matrix, always remember this notation, AX equal to B. This is important for me. Of course, this is very familiar notation to all of you in your 10th standard itself. Okay. So if B equal to 0, then AX equal to B. Here O means null matrix actually. This is not 0, O, null matrix. Then AX equal to B is called a homogeneous system. Then it is called a homogeneous system. So let us take an example. Suppose I am taking x minus 3y plus 4z equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 11z equal to 0. So I don't have any clarity in this case. Even I am not having any planning in this. Simply I can say. Okay. So నాకు XYZ ముందు ఏం తీసుకోవాలని నాకు క్లారిటీ లేదనుకుందాం. Even planning is not required. I am saying previous cases లో చూడండి. In case of example number 1, intentionally I have set up the equations. X value 5, y value 3 mind లో ఫిక్స్ చేసుకొని నేను ఈక్వేషన్ సెట్ చేశాను. X plus y equal to 8, 2x minus y equal to 7. Later I explained this procedure in terms of finding rank of a matrix. So that is a pre-planned అంటే నాన్ హోమోజినియస్ లో pre-planned గా ఉండాలి. X కి సింగిల్ వాల్యూ 5, y కి రాండమ్ గా 3 అని ఫిక్స్ చేసుకొని వేశాను. మీ ఇష్టం, ఏ వాల్యూస్ అయినా తీసుకొని ఈక్వేషన్స్ తీసుకోండి. యూనిక్ సొల్యూషన్ రావాలని x వాల్యూ 5, y వాల్యూ 3 తీసుకొని ఫిక్స్ చేశాను. సో అందుకే కేర్ఫుల్ గా x plus y equal to 8, 2x minus y equal to 7 రాశాను. So it is a pre-planned. Next, when you go to second example, again this is also pre-planned. First equation is fixed. I multiplied second equation with 2. Very pre-planned because I know that it will have infinitely many solutions. Even in case of third example also it is very pre-planned because if I multiply equation with 3, I should get 24. But intentionally I took a number other than 24 because I don't want solution in this case. So non-homogeneous system of linear equations setup cheyalante you must have pre-planning. Homogeneous ki pre-planning avasam ledhu. Homogeneous ki planning eppudu kavalo cheptanu. Let us see. Ikkada equations chudandi. Can you say any solution in this case? Srinivasrao, are you asking once again? Explain case 2, sir. right? Definitely I will explain. This one, x plus y 8 తీసుకున్నాను random equation. ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ ఒక నాన్ జీరో నంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన నాన్ జీరో నంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. ఓకే, సో 3x plus 3y equal to 24 or 5x plus 5y equal to 40. అంటే మీకు టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి ఫర్ విజువలైజేషన్, బట్ అఫిషియల్లీ దే రిప్రజెంట్ ఏ సింగిల్ ఈక్వేషన్. సింగిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ మెనీ అన్నోన్స్. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇలా రాశాను అనుకోండి, x ఈక్వల్ టు 4 అని, ఇది సింగిల్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్, ఒకే ఒక సొల్యూషన్ ఉంది. సపోజ్ నేను x ప్లస్ వై ఈక్వల్ టు 100, సింగిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ మెనీ అన్నోన్స్, ఇట్ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ఫైనైట్లీ మెనీ సొల్యూషన్స్. అంటే x ప్లస్ లో మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన నెంబర్ రాయండి, 100, y 0 అవుతుంది, x4 రాయండి, y 96 అవుతుంది. ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ దిస్. సో x ప్లేస్ లో 200 రాయండి, y -100 అవుతుంది, x50 రాయండి, y 50 అవుతుంది. అంటే x వాల్యూ k ఫిక్స్ చేస్తే y becomes 100 minus k. So in this example, x plus y equal to 8. If you fix x value as k, y is going to be 8 minus k. K can be any real number. So infinitely many real numbers exist. So therefore it will have infinitely many solutions. So therefore, but I am explaining these in terms of finding ranks. Hope Srinivasa it is very clear, right? ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రండి, x minus 3y plus 4z equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 11z equal to 0. So do you say that solution exists in this case? Definitely. Here solution always exists. X value 0 తీసుకోండి, y value 0 తీసుకోండి, z value 0 తీసుకోండి. వెరీ వెరీ క్లియర్. అంటే ఇక్కడ నంబర్స్ కి ఇంపార్టెన్స్ లేదా అని అంటే ఇంపార్టెన్స్ వస్తుంది. ఐ విల్ డిస్కస్ షార్ట్లీ. ఈ నెంబర్స్ డమ్మీ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఎప్పుడవుతాయి, మీకు ఒక్క సొల్యూషన్ అయినా కావాలి అని అంటే అట్లీస్ట్, సో మీ ఇష్టం నెంబర్స్ రాసుకోండి. ఎనీథింగ్ ఇంటూ 0, ఎనీథింగ్ ఇంటూ 0, ఎనీథింగ్ ఇంటూ 0. సో x వాల్యూ 0, y వాల్యూ 0, z వాల్యూ 0 ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, యూ విల్ గెట్ 0. సో అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ సొల్యూషన్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్. సో వితౌట్ ఎనీ ఎఫర్ట్స్ you are saying that one of the possible solution is 0 0 0 0, and this solution is called a trivial solution. This is called a trivial solution and a silly solution. Trivial and silly, without putting any efforts you are getting that all the variables are equal to 0, and that is going to be one of the solution of this equation. Sir, మీరు one of the solution అంటున్నారు, మల్టిపుల్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఉండే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయా? డెఫినెట్లీ పాసిబుల్. లెట్స్ సీ. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు రెండు కేసెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ ఇన్కన్సిస్టెంట్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది ఛాన్స్ లేదు. నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ లో ఇన్కన్సిస్టెంట్ సిస్టమ్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈవెన్ వీ హావ్ సీన్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, కేస్ నెంబర్ 3 ఎగ్జాంపుల్. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఇన్కన్సిస్టెంట్ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు, ఎందుకంటే సొల్యూషన్ డెఫినెట్గా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ సొల్యూషన్? ఆల్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0, and that solution is called a trivial solution. So therefore, when you talk about homogeneous system, that is ax equal to o, that will be always consistent because it will have at least one solution, that is all variables will be equal to 0, and such solution we call it as a trivial solution. If we have a solution where at least one variable is not equal to 0, in case of homogeneous or non-homogeneous, that is called a non-trivial solution. So in case of homogeneous system, we will have two types of solutions, trivial, non-trivial. అంటే కన్సిస్టెంట్ గ్యారంటీగా వస్తుంది. సో మీరేమి కండిషన్ చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. అండర్స్టాండ్ మై పాయింట్? వెరీ క్లియర్. వెరీ వెరీ గుడ్ సాయి తేజ. నౌ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ వన్ పాయింట్. నోట్ ax equal to o is always consistent because it will have at least one solution that is x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, x3 equal to 0, xn equal to 0. And అన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ 0 కి ఈక్వల్ చేస్తున్నాం. Suppose if you have n variables, and this solution is called a trivial solution. This is called a trivial solution. Hope this point is very clear. Right. Now I am going to write two cases. Trivial solution ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది, నాన్ ట్రివియల్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి. నాన్ ట్రివియల్ సొల్యూషన్ అంటే ఏంటో రాద్దాం ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. Non-trivial solution. If at least one variable or if at least one number in a solution is non-zero, it is called a non-trivial solution. Then it is called a non-trivial solution. I think these points are clear. Right. Now we will discuss two important cases. Ikkada case 3 undadandi. Case 1. If rank of A is equal to number of variables. Ikkada rank of augmented matrix undadu. Rank of A, rank of augmented matrix enduku compare chestunnam? Consistency kosam. Ikkada consistency guarantee ga vastundi. So in that case it is not required to compare with rank of augmented matrix. By default రెండు సేమ్ అవుతాయి. సో నంబర్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఎందుకు కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం? ఎన్ని సొల్యూషన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి క్లారిటీ కోసం. ఇఫ్ ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ A ఈక్వల్ టు నంబర్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఇంప్లైస్ AX ఈక్వల్ టు O విల్ హ్యావ్ ఏ యూనిక్ సొల్యూషన్. ఆ యూనిక్ సొల్యూషన్ ఏంటో కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. దట్ సొల్యూషన్ విల్ బి ట్రివియల్ సొల్యూషన్. You will not have this flexibility in case of non-homogeneous. My dear students, did you understand this point? Non-homogeneous లో యూనిక్ సొల్యూషన్ వస్తే అది ఏంటి అని అడిగితే మీరు క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయాలి. ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఏంటి, వై వాల్యూ ఏంటి అనేసి. అదే హోమోజినియస్ లో యూనిక్ సొల్యూషన్ వస్తే క్లారిటీ ఉంటే దట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి ట్రివియల్ సొల్యూషన్. అందులో వేరే డౌట్ లేదు. దట్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్. నౌ కేస్ నంబర్ 2. If rank of A not equal to number of variables implies AX equal to O will have infinitely many solutions. Will have infinitely many solutions. Out of these infinitely many, one solution is trivial, one trivial, and remaining are non-trivial. And remaining are non-trivial. Hope this point is clear, my dear students. No confusion at all. Rank of A should not be number of variables. Then it will have infinitely many solutions. And oka solution trivial guarantee ga untundi. Rest of the solutions are non-trivial. No issues at all. Right. Very nice. Kavita, points are very clear. Very good. Now we will discuss simple point and then we will discuss at least some 3 to 4 previous GATE questions on system of linear equations. Look at the previous case. Here I am saying that rank of A not equal to number of variables. Okay. Now let us see. Here we are talking about AX equal to O. So in case of homogeneous and non-trivial solutions are very, very important for me. Trivial solution lo pedda greatness emundi. Simple, anyone can handle. Non-trivial solution is important. Suppose the size of A is n cross n. What n represents? First n value, number of linear equations. What second number represents? Number of variables. Number of variables. Suppose rendu same anukondi. Now let us see. I am going to write one important case. Note. If A is a n cross n matrix, then AX equal to O will have a non-trivial solution only if there is some condition. Please try to tell the condition. Rank of A should not be number of variables kada. Rank of A should not be equal to NV. NV stands for number of variables. Here, how many number of variables are there? N. For a n cross n matrix, rank not equal to n. When it happens, or 3 by 3 matrix rank 3 kaadu ante then artham det value has to be 0. So only if determinant of A is 0. Only if determinant of A is 0. I think this point is clear. Hope, my dear students, this point is very clear. So when you have number of equations and number of variables same, in case of homogeneous, such system will have non-trivial solution only if determinant of A is equal to 0. Very nice. I think these points are very clear. My dear students, no issues at all. These points are very, very clear. Got it? Yes, very nice. Mahesh, very good. Srinivasa, very nice. Sai Teja, very nice. Very good. No confusion in this case. Okay? No doubt at all. Okay. Now let us discuss at least some 2 to 3 previous year gate questions, and tomorrow we continue. Along with tomorrow we'll discuss Cramer's rule, LU decomposition also. So recently LU decomposition concept has been included, and in 2021 question is given to electrical people also. So very important. Tomorrow we are going to discuss some previous year gate questions on system of linear equations, continuation to this class, and LU decomposition as well as Cramer's rule also. Okay. Now let us start with this. Question number 129. So the system of linear equations has, this was given to electronics 2006. The system of linear equations has, you can see options: unique solution, no solution, infinitely many, exactly 2 distinct solutions. As ఇది ఛాన్స్ లేదు, ఇది ఎప్పుడు ఉండదు ఇక్కడ. చూసారా, మన 3 కేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇది నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్. Try to answer this. So here A is coefficient matrix 4 2 2 1, 2 by 2 matrix. Here you can see rank of A equal to 1. Det value 0 వస్తుంది. Because in this case R2 equal to 2R1. Det value is 0. So rank 2 kaadu. Non-zero numbers are there. So rank becomes 1. Now let us see augmented matrix A slash B. So this is 4 2 7 2 1 6. The size is 2 by 3. What should be the maximum rank of 2 by 3? Minimum of 2 comma 3. That has to be 2. So 2 akala check cheddam. See, I am taking C as one of the 2 by 2 submatrix. I am eliminating first column. 2 7 1 6. So this is one of the 2 by 2 submatrix of augmented matrix. Here determinant of C is not equal to 0. So therefore rank of augmented matrix is 2. So ranks are not matching. So here rank of A not equal to rank of augmented matrix. Ranks are not matching. So it is inconsistent. Inconsistent means no solution. So option B is right answer. మీరు ఇక్కడే చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఇక్కడ 4x plus 2y వస్తుంది. But it has to be 12. Instead of 12, 7 is given. So it has no solution at all. So option B is right answer. Understand my point? First equation lo right side 6 undi. Second equation lo right side 6 undi. So here the equations are like this. 4x plus 2y equal to 6, 7. 2x plus y equal to 6. దీన్ని 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ పార్ట్ వస్తుంది 4x plus 2y. అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ దిస్ హ్యాస్ టు బి 12. బట్ అక్కడ 12 లేకుండా వేరే నంబర్ ఉంది. So it has no solution at all. Option B is right answer. So even we have evaluated rank of A and rank of A slash B. It gives me confirmation that it has no solution. Option B is right answer. Clear this point. Next. Question number 130. This was given to Engineering Science 2017. Engineering Science 2017. Here also you can see there are options: unique solution, no solution, infinitely many. ఈ మూడు ఆప్షన్స్ వెరీ కామన్ గా ఉంటాయి. ఏవి కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ నంబర్స్ మిస్ చేయకుండా నంబర్స్ ఇస్తే ఇంకా వాడు ఏదో ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ తెలియకపోతే వాడు ఏదో ఇస్తుంటాడు. దట్ కెనాట్ బి రైట్ ఆన్సర్. హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ ఓన్లీ 2 distinct solutions. That is not possible in any case. Okay, so let us see. ఇక్కడ ఒక నాన్ జీరో నెంబర్ 1 ఉంది. Here it is 0, here it is 0. ఇది నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్. This is non-homogeneous only. So here look at this. I am going to take coefficient matrix A equal to, so ఇక్కడ x1 లేదండి, x1 coefficient 0, x2 coefficient 2, x3 coefficient 1. Here x1 coefficient -2, x2 coefficient 0, x3 is -1. Here x1 coefficient -1, x2 coefficient 1, x3 coefficient 0. So this is a 3x3 matrix. Now let us see augmented matrix A/B. So first of all, I am writing 0, 2, 1, -2, 0, -1, -1, 1, 0. Right side I am writing B. So the right side matrix is 0, 0, 1. So this is 3x4 matrix. Here you can see we would like to see what is rank of A. ఇటువంటి ఆప్షన్ సిస్టమ్ ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్, ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఆగ్మెంటెడ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సిందే. ఈ రెండు మ్యాచ్ కాలేదు అనుకోండి, ఇంకా నంబర్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్ తో కంపేర్ చేయదు. ఇవి రెండు మ్యాచ్ అయ్యాయి అనుకోండి, యూ కంపేర్ దీస్ 2 ర్యాంక్స్ విత్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్. ఫర్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ దిస్ ఈస్ సిమిలర్ మోడల్. ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో ఇలా ఇస్తే కనుక ఎసెన్షియల్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ యు ఆర్ సపోజ్ టు ఫైండ్ ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. Thereafter you are supposed to find rank of augmented matrix. If both are matching, then you compare that expression or that value with the number of variables. If you are so lucky అంటే అసలు రెండు ర్యాంక్స్ మ్యాచ్ కాలేదనుకోండి, no issues, it is inconsistent. Okay, now here you can see, can you say what is the determinant of A? What is the determinant of A? Calculate చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. With a simple shortcut you can say, ఏలో మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. అబ్జర్వ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ. Here it is a skew symmetric matrix. A is a skew symmetric, size odd. For a skew symmetric matrix of odd size, determinant is 0. So rank cannot be 3. Got this point? So rank 3 అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. 3 కాదు కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ నంబర్కి వెళ్దాం. 2 అవుతుందో చెక్ చేద్దాం. యూ కెన్ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ 0, 2, -2, 0. This is A1. A1 equal to 0, 2, -2, 0. This is one of the 2x2 submatrix of A. So A1 is one of the 2x2 submatrix of A where its determinant is not equal to 0. So therefore I can say that rank of A equal to 2. I think this point is clear. Rank value 2 వస్తుంది, rank of A. So ఇక్కడ augmented matrix rank find out చేద్దాం. It is a 3x4 matrix. What should be the maximum rank of 3x4? Minimum of 3 and 4. So 3 కదా చెక్ చేద్దాం. 3 ఫెయిల్ అయింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు 2 కదా చెక్ చేద్దాం. In case rank of augmented matrix 3 వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, since the ranks are not matching, I can say that it is inconsistent, hence it will not have any solution. Hope this point is clear. Right, 3/4 లో ఒక కాలమ్ ఎక్సెస్ ఉంది, ఒక సబ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ తీసుకున్నా. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫైండ్ at least one 3x3 sub matrix of augmented matrix where its determinant is non-zero. I am searching for one 3x3 sub matrix of augmented matrix with a determinant non-zero. If I get success in that case, I can say that rank is 3. If I get failure, then I will go for rank 2. Okay, so ఒక కాలమ్ ఎక్సెస్ ఉంది, ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ తీసేయండి, మీ ఇష్టం, ఒక్కొక్క కాలమ్ తీసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళండి. I am eliminating first column at first. So 2, 0, 1, 1, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now this is one of the 3x3 submatrix of augmented matrix. Determinant of C find out చేయండి. నా లాస్ట్ కాలంలో జీరోస్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. దీంతో డెట్ ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేస్తే నాకు ఆన్సర్ ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. 1 into 2 1 0 minus 1. So this is not equal to 0. So therefore rank of augmented matrix is equal to 3. Rank of A is 2. Rank of augmented matrix is 3. So here I am writing rank of A is not matching with the rank of augmented matrix. So it is inconsistent. So no solution at all. So here also option B is right answer. Got this point, my dear students? Yes, option B is right answer. In case నాకు ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ లో ఫస్ట్ కాలం థీమ్ గా వచ్చిన 3/3 సబ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కి డెట్ వాల్యూ 0 వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఆగ్మెంటెడ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ 3 కాదని మీరు కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయొద్దు. బికాస్ దేర్ ఆర్ మల్టిపుల్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ 3/3 sub matrices in the same A/B. In that case, you are supposed to eliminate only second column. So like that, in case of an augmented matrix, you will get 4 pairs of 3/3 sub matrices. First, you eliminate only first column. You call it as C1, say for example. In the next occasion, you eliminate only second column. You call it as C2. In the next occasion, you eliminate only column 3. You call it as C3. In the next occasion, you eliminate column 4. You call the matrix as C4. Because C4 అంటే matrix name, column 4 కాదు. అర్థమవుతుందా? అంటే ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తే వచ్చే సబ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ నేమ్ C1 అనుకుంటున్నా మనకు ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ కోసం, బికాస్ ఐ యూజ్డ్ A and B సింబల్స్ ఆల్రెడీ. So I will get 4 pairs of 3/3 sub matrices in case of this. 4 pairs of 3/3 sub matrices. If at least one has a non-zero debt value, I can say rank is 3. And I got success in the very first attempt. So luckily, I can say that rank of augmented matrix is 3. Since rank of A is 2, rank of augmented matrix is 3. Both are different. So I can say that it is consistent. It means that no solution. I think the points are clear, my dear students. No confusion at all. Points are very, very clear. Okay. So I close the session within 1 minute. So tomorrow we will join again at 7 p.m. And tomorrow I will make very, very important announcements on Saturday and Sunday special class. At least tomorrow I will discuss special classes of Sunday. Tomorrow we have many announcements. Okay. Never miss the class. So before coming to tomorrow's class, you revise all the points. Tomorrow I am going to discuss some more previous year questions like this. After that, we will discuss Cramer's rule and LU decomposition. Very, very important. Just wait for a few minutes. This is official Creatrix channel where you can find more than 10,000 members. This is our Telegram channel, Unacademy My Gate Telugu, where you can find links of our live classes every day. Every day we are sharing. And after completion of our class, we are sharing notes in PDF format. I hope everybody is getting that. And these are various #1 studies channels running by Unacademy. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for bearing me since last 1 hour,